Ava, look at all the ice cream. There's blue. There's yellow. Ava, what color do you like? Purple. How do you make ice cream?
I make it with milk.
Milk? I have a delivery for you. Wait here. Oh.
Will you help me make ice cream?
Yes! I'm really good at making ice cream.
We need eggs,
Eggs. Oh! Oh, no! Oh, they're broken.
we need a bowl.
A bowl? My second delivery. Right here. Ooh. A bowl.
Apron. Gloves.
Gloves. Oh. How do we make ice cream?
Milk.
Milk? Oh. Ah. Oh. 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 Ah. Ice cream.
Now, eggs. And chocolate.
Oh. Oh. I'm really good at making ice cream. Oh.
Hands up.
Stop.
Ice cream.
No.
No.
It has to go in the fridge.
Oh. Oh. Tell me it's cold. It's cold. Oh, I can't wait to taste the ice cream.
Chocolate.
Thank you. Ava, you have chocolate ice cream. What color is chocolate? Brown.
We have no spoons.
Spoons? My third delivery. Wait here. Spoons.
spoons are too big.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. Spoons. Well, I've had a great day.